Hello and welcome back. And today we are diving into something absolutely critical for anyone stepping into the world of cryptocurrency. Safety tip for a beginner. If you are new to crypto, you might feel overwhelmed by all the technical jargon and the risk can feel intimidating. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you will have a practical step to keep your investment safe and secure. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why crypto safety matters. Unlike a traditional bank, cryptocurrency are decentralized, which means there is no institution to help you recover lost or stolen funds. Hacker and scammer target beginner because they know some may not yet understand the risk. Phishing scam, fake wallet, and Ponzi scheme are just a few of the danger. And to protect yourself, awareness is your first line of defense. When it comes to storing your cryptocurrency, choosing the right wallet is the key. Hot wallets are connected to the internet and are convenient, but more vulnerable to hack. Cold wallet like hardware wallet are offline and much safer for long-term storage. As a pro tip, use hot wallet for small everyday transaction and cold wallet for large long-term holding. A scam can happen to anyone, but being cautious can save you a fortune. Never click on subscription link claiming to offer free crypto or urgent account issue. Double check the website before logging in. Scammers often mimic real sites. Always verify the legitimacy of email and text message from so-called crypto platform.
Looking for motivational apparel and essentials to kickstart 2025? Visit my Etsy shop, Irene Biz Essentials. Simply go to www.etsy.com/shop/Irene Biz Essentials and grab your favorites today. Link in the description.
Having a strong password is your first layer of defense, but two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security. Create complex passwords with a mix of letter numbers and symbols. Avoid using easily guessed words like password 123. Enable two-factor authentication on all crypto accounts. It's quick and gives you peace of mind. Even if you are confident in your security, keeping track of your transaction is a smart move. Use Blockchain Explorer to monitor your crypto transfer for anomaly. Set up alert for your wallet to notify you of any unexpected activity. I hope this tip have helped you feel more confident in navigating the crypto world, and stay informed is the best way to keep your investment safe. If you need professional help with data analysis, financial planning, or visualization for your business, Irene Consulting Firm is here to support you. Our team specializes in tailored solutions to help you achieve financial success. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update. Until next time, stay safe and stay financially smart.
Running a small or medium business is no easy task, and managing your finances shouldn't hold you back. At Irene Consulting Firm, we help small and medium businesses save time and grow profits. With expert bookkeeping, payroll, and financial analysis services, we simplify your finances so you can focus on success. Operating across all 50 states, we're your trusted partner for smarter financial management. Ready to grow your business? Contact us today at 404-399-6099 or visit www.ireneconsultingfirm.com.